I'm tired of doing stuff for the wrong reasons. I don't truthfully feel inadequate. So why do I allow this game to keep playing out? What would it be like to just show up as me without trying to prove? Stare into the eyes of my beloved people with only my beating heart. The gift of me, witnessing the gift of you. The gift of our shared love and experiences. I soften and fall back into this comfort, peace, and joy. This is where I want to be, with all of you. I want us to remember the gift of being together and feeling alive. I want to cherish the tears and the laughter. I want to look deeply into one another. To be humbled and proud of the constantly evolving human. There are always tough lessons and challenges, spirit-led journeys, and soul remembrance. Revealing what it means to live. The heartache, confusion, messiness, and resiliency. Gifts are wonderful when they are honest. Like most things, gifts are temporary and fleeting attempts at satiating our addictions and insecurities too. I only ever want to be honest. I want to share my heart. I want you to hold it, cherish it, honor it. I want to hold your heart too. I want to savor it and cherish it and honor it. For this to happen, we must know one another and be willing to share ourselves fully. Why does it feel like most people don't really want to get to know you? And why does it appear that so many people are wrapped up in their own wants, desires, pains, and fears, and don't seem to have the capacity to see or feel or love and cherish the eyes of another? Am I like this? I like to believe I feel deeply the soul of others. I genuinely want, and desperately at times, to know others at their very core, stripped of the superficiality. I want authentic reciprocity of ourselves, allowing another to be seen and felt. I crave this. I yearn for this. I strive and live and feel I would even die for this. I feel my own cover too. I see my own distractions and inadequacies, how I've sheltered myself, a cloak of false protection. I don't feel I have the strength to uphold this falsity anymore. I keep hearing that song, I can't make you love me if you don't. I can't make your heart feel something it don't. I will lay down my heart and I'll feel the power, even if you won't. Vulnerability is my Christmas wish.